Hello everyone, welcome back to another market tip. My name is Vivian and I run a small business that focuses on crochet plushies and now expanding to cats and books lover merch. Besides creating all of these cute items, I also love and enjoy doing market because this is where I get to meet all of you guys in real life. But for all of my online friends, the question I get the most when I share my journey of doing these market with you guys is how the heck do I build all of these cube shells? So in today's videos, I'm going to share with you how I did it, and specifically is for this setup, my most recent market. One side is for all the plushie and the others is hold all of my apparels and tote bags. First, I use the paint tape to map out my table dimensions. I have an 8-foot long for horizontal and then a 6-foot for my vertical table. And this is the cube shelf that I use to build all of these displays. For today though, I actually used both my blue and white one to create a little contrast abstract in my display. And you can find a direct link to these products right down in my description box. Alright, let's get started. So to build these things, you're going to use that square panel and the white connector piece. My trick is for your first square, use both the connector on both bottom as you see, then on your second panel you add one side with the connector and then add it on connecting to the previous panel, and so on and so on. Doing this will help your process go so much easier and faster. I am currently working on the shelf for my plushies. I know right here it showed I have a lot of panels, but actually you only need 3, which I will find out very soon. Now that you guys back here, let me show what we do in the back. As the same way, I use one connector put on one leg bottom of the panels and then add them on behind. This is how this display will be able to stand on it all without lay on anything. Now let's close off the gaps on top so that we can build onto the second level. Use a connector, do the 2 sides first before you do the front, like the legs part, just like how I just showed you guys. If you need to, just slow down the videos and rewatch that part. I'm using a white panel to create a flat surface for the second level of the displays, starting off with adding it all into like the 2 corners on the same side before added on to the third one on the opposite side and close it off exactly how you just do on the other side. Nothing different. Again, I know there's a lot of panels going on in this video right now, but for the plushie displays that I use at my recent market, you will only need 3 front panels, then 4 side panel for like the legs part, and then 4 of the white panel on top as a flat surface to build onto the second level. Now onto the backing of the second level. This is pretty self-explanatory. You will see on the connector is have like different crack that you can stick the panel to, so they have the front and then the side. Oh, this is me realizing that I do not have enough panels to create this big of a panel, so I've decided to shrink it down to just a 3 panels wide for my plushie displays, and then use my IKEA show to display all my cups and other accessories. This is a good time for you to see why a lot of people love this type of displays, because it's very easy to take things apart and easy for transport as well. Here I'm moving my IKEA shelf over and then quickly realize I still need to take off more panels to actually shrink it down into 3 panels wide. Now we're going to work on the display for all of my apparels and tote bags. The process is nothing different, it's still just using that panels and the connectors to add a 4 panels wide and 5 of the panels for the legs. Then also same way connecting for the flat surface for you to build up to the second levels, and you will also need 4 flat panels on top, and again I'm using white so that it will pop more of my product. Then Bella helping me adding the backing of the second level, and I just add like the section in between, just like how you would do for the leg, but this time is like the opposite, so facing you instead. So this is where I have this whole like little cubie that I can put all of my t-shirt in different size in here. This is something you guys should remember. It's much easier for you to have the flat surface first before you continue on building the backing. Don't forget to use all of your connectors to close off every corner. This will help your display so much more stable. But here we are, you guys, we have a complete display. I basically added like 3 levels of the backing panels all the way up vertically so that I have place for like hanging all the t-shirt as a display, so you know customer can see what these like t-shirt designs are. Then right there on the flat surface of the second level, I just put like lay out all of my tote bags. This is very like visual, people can see it so clearly, and then all the folded t-shirts in different size and all 4 of those cubies. Remember that all of these shelf display will be on a table, so it's a little bit higher up. So right here from my plushie display, everything on top is like a bigger item, a bit more expensive. It's more of like an attention catcher. Then everything in these 3 cubies that I'm adding is a lot more at eye level and also as a more affordable price range. And actually for kids, the eye level, the cubies part eye level, that's just for adult, but for kids that's still at like a little bit higher up. So also on the table itself, I have even like lower price range items that are all in like different little basket. Those are actually at all the kids eye level. I highly recommend you guys to take a photo of your mock-up display practice because it will help you on the day of the market. You know, everything is so busy, so hectic. Sometimes you will miss or like don't remember a certain small little details, but since you have the photo, you can reference back and even make a different like adjustment to fix more to your display at that market. And that's it, you guys. That's how I built my cube shelf display for so many markets. I hope this video was helpful for you and inspire you in your future market displays. If you would like me to make a video about more and more details on like displaying tips, please let me know down in the comment below. I will definitely going to do it for you. As always, thank you so much you guys for watching this video, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
엉클어진 밤 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보며 또 하루를 보내. 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까. But